Hi guys, Lars here again with a small demonstration of the new Escapability feature in the Vanilla Reader. So Escapability is a neat feature when you have TTS on, as it lets you escape out from structures that you probably don't want to read. These can be very long lists. These can be tables where you want to escape from one cell to another and then to another row perhaps. It's just an easy way to be able to navigate through a very complex structure such as code examples, as I said, lists, asides, whatever. I've added so that you can escape from pre-code, aside, table, of course, and lists. These are the ones that I added for now, but it's configurable, so to speak. So in the Vanilla Reader, the way you access these guys, let's see here. I have them here, of course. Yes, so if you press Alt-A or Control Option A, you will be able to escape from the current element, which would be, as I wrote here, like a table cell or one list point to another. And if you want to escape from the entire structure, which is really helpful, if you want to just escape out of a table or a code example, you can just add a shift modifier and you will jump out of the entire structure. I will show you both here. When I'm in the list, I can, again, if I just press Alt-A without the shift, I can jump from one list point to the other. And if I add the shift modifier, I will jump out of the entire list.
Now, 2, 3, 4, 5 where you should spend 50% of your time but will probably, at this point, the main takeaway is that lib is where ULL.
Very, very handy. Another handy shortcut is, it's also in the documentation, of course, but if you just want to skip, you can also press Shift K, which shift forward, skip forward, and if you add the shift modifier, you skip back. So this is just also a handy way of traversing to the content. Yes, I think that's all. So have fun with this one, guys.